Hey guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make frituras de harina, Cuban fritters. These fritters are not only delicious, but you don't need a lot of ingredients to make them. And if you're Cuban, then you already know how delicious these are. So let's get started. Frituras basically translates in English to fried dough. In America, we call them fritters. And fritters, or frituras in Spanish, are found throughout the country. You'll find them in the Caribbean, you'll find them in Africa, Asia, throughout the whole world. For the ingredients, you're going to need 1 cup of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, a half a cup of water, 1 egg. You're going to need scallions, a quarter of an onion. You're going to need either Sazón or Bijol to give it some color. You're going to need Sazón completa, about a teaspoon, salt and pepper. So I'm going to add 1 cup of flour, and I'm going to beat 1 egg and add it to this mix, and then I'm going to add the rest of the ingredients. And these are just samples of some fritters you'll find in Cuba. Pumpkin fritters, codfish fritters, corn fritters. So now I'm going to add all the ingredients together, and I decided to add an onion. So I'm adding a quarter of an onion diced. One thing about fritters are they're very easy to make, and it only takes a few ingredients to make them. If you want a larger quantity, just double the ingredients. Add more flour and add an extra egg. If you can't find scallions or even chives, you can use chives in place of the scallions. If you can't find them, just use an onion. But if you decide that you don't want to use either, you can just use parsley. When you're making the batter, you don't want your batter too thick. You want the batter to be thin. So I'm probably not going to use all of the water. I'm probably going to use maybe about a quarter cup of water. As you start making fritters more frequently, then you'll know how to adjust the water and flour ratio. So now I'm going to add in my diced onion. So now you want to add your salt and pepper, and you want to add the salt last, so you can see how much salt you'll need. So now my batter is ready so that I can start making my frituras. So before you start, you want to preheat your oil so it can be hot enough, and you're going to add spoonfuls of the batter into the oil, and you want to cook this until your frituras turn brown. When you're making frituras, you need to have enough oil in the pot so that the frituras will float. If you put a little bit of oil into your pan, you're going to have flat frituras, and they're going to be like pancakes. When your frituras are ready, they're going to float to the top, and they're going to be nice and golden brown. When you're cooking these, you want to make sure that you flip them occasionally because they will burn really quickly. And once they're nice and golden brown and floating to the top, then you want to take them out and put them on a paper towel so that you can drain the oil. One tip to making fluffy frituras is to add baking powder. Frituras de harina are really easy to make, and I hope you try this recipe. So now the frituras are ready, and so now I'm going to serve them. One more tip that I wanted to mention is when you're making frituras, try not to leave them into the oil too long because then they'll be really greasy. Well guys, here are my delicious frituras de harina, and I'm going to try one so I can show you what they taste like. They're really crunchy, and they're really soft and fluffy inside. Well, my friends, I want to thank you for taking the time out to watch this video. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure you subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and click the notification bell so you know when I'm uploading new videos. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and Pinterest. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. Also, on my channel, I have a playlist of all my frituras. Check it out. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.